So here we are out at the lake project, and I've got a tree here that I want to cut down. Fairly big tree, but unfortunately it's just in the way for access to the lot. So I've got out the old chainsaw. I'm going to try to get it fired up here and cut this tree down that you see just to the left. Oh, there she goes. Let's give it a shot. Taking a lot of cutting. Oh, starting to move. Yeah, I think it's going to go where I want it to go. Have a little look here. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Let's keep going. Here she goes. Oh no. That is not where I wanted to put it. I don't know if you've seen that, but it kind of landed on some bushes there. I was hoping to avoid them. Let's take a look here. Maybe I can move it around, get them off of there. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking here. There's no way I'm going to move that tree. It weighs hundreds of pounds, and I am definitely not strong enough. Let's take a look around the back, see what kind of damage I did. At this point, there really isn't too much I can do about it. I'm just going to have to deal with whatever carnage came from it. So, anyways, me cutting down a tree.